Hey guys, it's your girl Mama Sass, here to do another trusted review. Today I have these mosquito repellent bands. I purchased it on Amazon.com. It's from Cell pH Balance. Below I have the link as well as the the link to the page. It comes with these repellent bands. You can adjust them to whatever size you want. It has a little white thing in there. And you just do it like that. You can put it in your arm. It's water resistant. And it smells pretty good. It kind of reminds me of like between Old English cleaning stuff and like Pledge. They smell really good. They're made of lavender, eucalyptus, citronella, and peppermint. And one size fits all. This is like a brown color. It comes with a blue, green, and yellow. It's 12 bands, and each band lasts 240 hours. I give this a Mama Sass rating of a 6 because I don't think I want to walk around smelling like a cleaning product, but they do smell really good and they're water resistant. Down below is the product and link. Hit like and subscribe. See you later, tubers.